The cost of real estate in Rwanda has been rising for the past years, and it's just getting expensive and expensive. Today, I am in Gahanga about to show you one of the affordable properties you can find today on the market. It's a 60 million Rwandan francs or around $55,000 home out here in Gahanga in Riverside Estate. I'm about to show you all the details about it, the cons and the pros. Just stick around and enjoy this episode. Alright, Prince of Manure from Quick Homes Rwanda. I almost forgot the introduction. Now let me tell you a little bit about Gahanga. Gahanga is this neighborhood that is just in Kicukiro, just as you pass Kagarama, and it's just up and coming. It's where the city is expanding to, and you find nice stuff there. Today we are in Riverside Estate, and Riverside Estate is just one of the property developments that are happening in Kigali, where we are touring this 60 million Rwandan francs home or $55,000 home that is for sale. It's just part of the estate, so everything were constructed at the same time, same quality. It's pretty safe out here, and you get all the amenities you would like in your estate. I'm excited to show you this particular home. Come with me. Alright, welcome to the house. This is the property I was talking about. It's a nice 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom home. This home sits on 300 square meters of plot, and what you get of course this front space, because it's not a yard, it's front space, a little garnish of a garden on this side, 1 car parking space, and the rest of the property is just the house. The house is situated on a slopey plot, so that's why they kind of allocated the front side to have the parking slash garden slash front space, and the back of the property to just host the house on a kind of leveled particular plot. Sorry, I almost lost the word. To access the property, we use these stairs. You actually have 2 kind of entrances, because you have some other stairs that takes you to the back of the property, and also these front ones that takes you to the actual front of the house. And coming down, the place is leveled nice, so we have the tiles that welcomes you on this kind of front porch a little bit, so it gives you a kind of welcome to the house. On the get-go, you get to notice that it doesn't have a lot of paint, so just white paint. The tiles are also white with a little bit of marble streaks in the middle, and also you have some high ceilings, chandelier in the middle, just the normal setup you would expect in a modern Rwandan house. The living room size is good because you have, I would say, 6 meters by 6 meters. Really good space for the living room, and it transitions to this side where we find the dining area, which is as well actually good space because you could fit a 6-seater in here, no problem at all. Of course, these 2 spaces are complemented by the kitchen, and the kitchen is also of a good size. I mean, it's not bad for a house. I would have wished a little bit bigger, but the size is not also bad. You have some nice MDF, you have some granite countertops, space for your stove, you have a big pantry in here, so that's where they allocated the space for your fridge, but overall enough cabinets to store your stuff. You have a modern sink on this side, with these features. I don't know how to reduce the size of this thing. Let me not hope I break it. No, let me not break it. So you have a modern sink on this side. It looks nice, it looks clean, and as we enter, we find the pantry I was talking about. this is a whole room. You know, for a house this size, I would expect a small pantry, but you know, for the budget, you get actually a bigger pantry, and yeah, it's clean. It's clean. So this is where they prepared that you would put your fridge so that you don't finish up the space from out here in the kitchen. Now, before we continue with the tour, let me show you what the back of the property looks like. Coming down here, we get to see that you have actually plenty of space at the back of the property, your drying lines on this side, and here we have an annex. This annex usually comes with a kitchen, it comes with the maid's room, and also an additional bathroom for the maids and people who just want to go outside. And on the left side of the property as well, we still have plenty of room, so you can use it as you please, because it's just more room, and also a tank of water of 3,000 liters that comes with this property. Now let's get back inside and show you the rest of the interior. Now, the way rooms are positioned in this particular house is that you have two rooms on this side that share one bathroom, and you have the master on that side. So let's see what those two rooms look like. When you enter this first bedroom, you're going to see that it's actually not a small bedroom at all, because you can fit a queen size bed in here no problem, and still be left with space for your closet that you would put inside, of course, because it's not in here, and as well have room for circulation, which is good. Big window for ventilation and natural light. Of course, we use these louvers at the top for ventilation, so you just get clean air inside, so you don't feel stuffed. And if we go this way, let me close this, that's where we find the second bedroom. Again, the bedroom is not small at all. You can fit again a queen size bed here, no problem. Your space for your closet is well niched in on this side, and you would have plenty of room for your for your travel within the room, which is good. Again, a window for natural light and ventilation added. These two rooms share a single bathroom, and the bathroom is on this side. I mean, the use of space is not so bad, because this is a bathroom that is enough. It's good size. The only things that are missing, maybe that could have made the house expensive, are like those glass panels that cover you in, that makes it enclosed. But that's a detail you can add, because you know, for the budget, again, you don't need to push the seller so much. You have your vanity space on this side, your toilet on this side. I mean, everything you need in your bathroom. Of course, before we leave the bathroom, I have to point something that I don't understand why they did it. We have the vanity on this side. Come this way. We have the vanity on this side and the mirror on that side. I don't understand why they did it, but it is what it is. So, you know, brush your teeth like this. I think it's just, it looks cool. It looks cool. Let's keep it positive. Now, continuing our tour, we have the master bedroom left on this other side, and the master bedroom as well is spacious. Before we enter, we have this kind of middle ground for the master bedroom. You have the bathroom in here, the bedroom in here, and here you're left with a little bit of space that you can use maybe to put a shoe rack of things you need in the master bedroom. Now, entering the bed, you could see that this is a good size of a bedroom. I would estimate maybe 4x4 in this bedroom, so can fit easily a king size bed and space for an additional closet. The room itself is really good size. I mean, of course, you know, put on the light, but good size, big window for natural light. I mean, I love it. It's just the perfect size. And of course, it comes with the master bathroom, and the master bathroom, it's big. They say in Rwanda we love doors, but yeah, it's privacy, so you gotta bear with us. You gotta have privacy wherever you are. So we have the master bathroom on this side, walk-in shower, toilet, vanity. This time around they corrected it, because now the vanity is aligned with the mirror, so it's not cool like it was on the other room. But the size of the bathroom is enough, and it's good. You know, the use of space for a house that you would expect to be small because it's in 300 square meters. They did great on this site. Alright everyone, that's it with this episode. We saw this house. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom house out here in Gahanga, Riverside Estate, which is a nice newly constructed house and on the market for 60 million Rwandan francs or $55,000. You can drop on this property by using our contact details in the description down below, and also please consider subscribing if you're new here. Comment down below, tell us if the house is worth it. We love to hear from you, and as always, we love you.